Welcome to my channel. This is Mallu with you. Today I will show you how to set it up GARD 2200 series safe key lock. This is a brand new lock. This is coming with a setup key. You can see there is no cutting in this. This is the original key. This is only for setup. This is the setup key. Push it all the way in and turn it clockwise. You can hear a click noise. When you hear the click noise, this is a changing key. This is for 2200 key lock, and also we can use the same key for group 2 3-wheel combination lock, the same size. Put it inside, then clockwise quarter, then back, remove the key and set it up with new key. Push it inside all the way and turn it clockwise until it stops. Then turn it anti-clockwise and pull it outside. Then down. Also, you can set it up with this detachable key bit. This is using for big wall doors, thicker one. So this type of key very difficult to carry. So you can attach with this key bit. Then you can use it. It's very lengthy. After the use, you can detach the key bit. Then you can attach with this one. Easy to carry. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.